Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
And try, and try, and try, and try, and try, and try, and try.
Hey guys, Gigi here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is hella long overdue because I will be demoing the Artist Couture Jackie Aina Le Peach and LeBron's highlighters. So if you're interested in seeing what these babies look like, definitely keep it locked. I know you're not about to watch this video and not subscribe to my channel. I know that. So if you're not subscribed, hit that red button, and while you're there, you might as well hit the bell. And if you are subscribed, you make sure that bell is on, okay? Because you know YouTube be trying to play me. Just save yourself the drama. Just push both buttons. Jackie Aina collaborated with Artist Couture. If you don't know, Artist Couture is Angel Marino, and he's a fabulous makeup artiste. I got the entire bundle set. Now the entire bundle set I believe was $55, and that came with this little makeup bag pouch that retails for $7. To be honest, I would have preferred a highlighter brush. I know Artist Couture, I believe they don't make, you know, brushes, but it would have been nice to have a brush instead of a bag, you know what I'm saying? But I still appreciate it. I get what I get. We should have had brushes right here. Like, give me the brush, give me the brush. And then we have both of the powders. Now, each one of these retails for $28. So, if that's a pretty penny for you, I mean, you trying to shine like they do or not? Choice is yours. The peach is in the same rose gold packaging with, you know, the peach right on the back. Both of these have this sifter, which is great because I hate when powders, you can't close them off and they just get everywhere. So you can definitely control how much peach or bronze you want. This is LeBron's and this one is the peach. Like this one, I can get away with a lot right now while it's spring, early summer. And then with LeBron's, that's when I'm gonna go for the gusto and I really light this joint up, okay? But both are very smooth, very soft, and yeah, this swatch, ooh, girl, she in trouble. I'm gonna use the Sigma Tapered Highlighter brush in F35. This was actually a part of Jackie's favorite brushes when she had a collection with Sigma, which I picked up. Just saying, Jackie, I support you. We're gonna take LeBron's, put this on his cheek, and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take a little bit more, but so far, okay, Jackie, okay. Do you see it? Oh, do you see that? Oh, looking like chicken right out of the damn oil. This blends out so good. Oh. Jackie, Angel, Jackie. See, I could have been stunting on hoes a long time ago. It looks even better in person. Like, it's not even funny. Like, and I didn't wet it. Didn't even moisten my brush. So here is LeBron's, the original, the big sister, the OG. Give it to him, sis. Give it to them. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. I'ma shut the head up. So we're gonna do the newest edition, Le Peach, Lil Sis, you know, come on through Solange. We over here Beyonce and oops. I just cleaned off the same brush. Absolute sorcery. Like, this is the first time I'm using a loose highlighter. I know y'all see that. I know you see it. Oh my God. Like, this is like really no effort. No effort. You cannot tell me anything. Wow. Ooh. Angel, I don't know what mythical creature you have working in your labs, but this is crazy. Oh. Catch it. Right back at you. Who's a better duo? I'm definitely shooketh. You know what? We gonna go in. We're gonna take it there. I'm gonna wet my brush. This don't make no damn sense. This, I'm sick. Literally sick. I need a moment. You can't say anything to me. No. I don't care about your thoughts, your feelings, questions, comments, or concerns with this. No. Y'all got me messed up. Can we? I'm just gonna stay right here. I'm gonna stay right here. I just wanna stay right here. I don't wanna do nothing else with my life. LeBron's, Le Peach. Both gorgeous. This one, LeBron's, is exactly what it is. Bronzy. This one, Le Peach, is peachy gold. Peachy gold goodness. I had all this sauce since December, and my bad. I messed up. This on me right now. Like, you know, are we getting it? Like, I wish I had on a different shirt, because I would have been giving it to the kids. Get into it. Get into it. What'd you say to me? Can't hear you past my blinding highlight. What? Oh. I'm done. Look at that. Bronzing, peaching. I'm gonna try to balance myself out, get my life together, and I'm gonna be right back. My final thoughts on these: just get them. Just get them before they're gone forever. Slow clap for you, girl. Angel, you too. Yo, you guys did a phenomenal job. For this to be my first introduction into loose highlighters, bruh, these are amazing. And I'm so happy to be supporting a fantastic brand. Like, this makes me want to get the other highlighters. Like, I want Conceited, I want Cocoa Bling, I want, you know, Sugar Daddy. Like, wow. Like, I didn't know, but I know now. If this video was useful for you guys to see it on my face, definitely hit that like button and let me know down in the description box what team you're playing for. LeBron's, or are you Le Peach, or my personal favorite team, the Coach, which is both. If you want to keep up with me in between videos, you already know where to find me. Head over to my Instagram or my Snapchat and I'll be over there, okay? So until our next video, stay comfy, guys. Bye.